One ear and firecracker. We're right here at the 50-yard line. And okay, round two. Let's see if we can get a better look at him. Oh, mascot Marcy's here. Well, she went inside. She went through the door. I see you, bud. There's firecracker. Barn tree roof. See the barn or tree growing around it? Pretty dope. There's firecracker. Hey, bud. I filled their water up and made sure it wasn't frozen because it was a little. Topped off the calf's grain yesterday and it still had some. Gave a little grain to firecracker, a little grain to Miss Cracker. Hey, it's Mom, the female cardinal. Damn, they got some groaning noises. I did give firecracker like a quarter of a bucket. He's plenty fat. And I gave the heifers and then two over the 6 tubs. You guys should have been doing this yesterday. It was Halloween. Now it's 11/1 and it means nothing. I'm just kidding. It's still funny. Who do you think won this one? Firecracker so far. You're doing too much bellowing, dude. Ooh, look at that. Is that a hawk? I can't tell for sure if it's a hawk or a